Introducing your champion. Don't knock yourself.
Your hiccups?
Time in long ago. I got the best of you today.
Alright, here's what we're gonna do.
Oh my god. I'm trying, man.
Alright, so
Okay,
look
look
next to your guy in the bottom left, and you have the symbol next to crypto. The little scan.
Yeah.
Alright, that means your guy is a scanner, so you can scan survey beacons.
Oh. Oh, wait.
So this right here. You scan that, it tells us where it is on the map. And then also, thank you for following. I guess, sure.
I got you, bro.
And it doubles up our Evo, and tells you where to go on the map.
Fucking give me that shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
On you. Here, and also you can do it with your drone. So with crypto, you always want to have your drone
I'm stuck.
when you do stuff. Climb.
Right.
On me.
He's like, damn. She's just assuming we're gonna
Fuck, do I
follow.
get in there? Damn.
Fuck no.
Oh, I don't want to go that way.
Oh my god. Watch out, they have it in that. Hey, come around the side,
Oh, they can't hear what we're saying. I kind of forgot about that.
Crack Hughes, knocked him.
Coming.
Let's go. Shoot his ass.
Oh, he's
He's one.
I'm crawling under the building.
You kick the door down,
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Need some light ammo. Oh, nah. Fuck. I got ammo, bro.
Oh my god. Alright. Good job.
Fucking, I got dicked. Oh, thank God.
Got an upgrade. Gonna put it to use.
Just gotta make our way this way.
Oh my god, bro.
Just a moment. Crafting.
The fastest way to run this game is to slide jump.
Yep. Oh, about.
Oh my god, he's new.
Appreciate the tips. I don't know fucking shit about this game.
Yeah. And then periodically press your drone button. He'll tell us how many squads are in there.
Backpack here. Level 1.
Signaling my drone back.
Here's your birthday present.
One squad in the area. We have the drop.
Oh shit, one squad. Yeah, they're resing, they're resing.
Ping it where?
You have your EMP?
Oh,
you have your
shit.
EMP?
Yeah. Get EMP, bitch! Yeah, I EMP'd her. Right on ping. I'm fucking insisting.
His boy ran.
I hit him once.
Blue team here.
Squad somewhere nearby.
2 squads.
Spotted a wee hole.
Alright, I'm heading with the left line. Squad, let's move. Bro, get out of your drone.
I'm fucking hopping out that shit. I was fucking spotting bitches.
Crack.
Oh, whoa, I'm getting shot from the back.
Where at?
Fucking where we came from.
Focus on these guys.
Yeah, let me fucking hop on my gun.
Up here, up here, up here.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, I'm assisting!
I dropped down the hill.
Holy fuck, this gun sucks dick.
Shit.
Fucking R99 is ass. I'm getting sniped from right here too.
Roll this way.
126 on him.
Pop and weave. Other bitches to our left too.
Here, fly. Oh shit. My bad. Get him left on.
Yep, he's got my ass.
Holy shit. Been bad.
Looting and shit. Yep. Give me that fucking. Give me all this shit, bitch.
5 feet shields are here for loot.
Fucking. Oh, this bitch has no ammo. Fucking cunt.
Just giving my shields a recharge.
Let's move. Crypto, get over here.
Come.
Upgraded and good to go.
What the fuck is this? Oh shit.
Yep.
Okay, bet.
Here's your birthday present.
Shit drop.
Holy fuck.
What?
I just got a legendary backpack.
Hey, scan squads.
Not to be pernickety, dear, but the ring's on the move.
What does my EMP do besides get rid of shields?
It destroys all like put downable shits in the house.
Like a longbow. Should I pick that up?
Like so, like all the
I'll pick it
traps,
up.
it destroys all of them. But the EMP is good, bro. For if you coordinate it. Hey, throw your drone though. Throw your drone. You can see how many squads.
Oh fuck, I almost killed myself.
One squad in the area. We have to drop.
They're probably over there.